Hi guys, and welcome to the super exciting red carpet Get Ready With Me. So why am I getting ready for red carpet? What is the red carpet? Where am I going? I'm going actually to BJ Novak's Vengeance premiere. So it is starring BJ Novak, Ashton Kutcher, Duff Cameron, a huge star cast. Obviously I'm already ready, but let's go rewind and see what went into this. I rarely watch thrillers, horrors, anything of that sort, but I figured I'm invited, I must go check out what the movie's all about. I was invited on behalf of YouTube Shorts. As those of you who watch my shorts know, I've been creating shorts pretty consistently. So I have really been in talks with the YouTube Shorts team, and they happened to extend an invite to this premiere here in LA. So this is a very different look, a big departure from what I wore to the last red carpet premiere that I went to. I last went to the Miss Marvel premiere where they showed us episodes 1 and 2 of Miss Marvel, which was honestly such a good show. I really enjoyed watching it with my family, and it's so deep and true to South Asian culture that it made me feel really proud to see that kind of representation on screen. And I know everyone says this, but genuinely when I was watching it, I just felt like cheering the whole time, even when bad things were happening in the show. Like I just felt like cheering. Like it was just so close to my culture, and I'm very close to my culture, so just seeing that on screen in the MCU was such a big thing. All right, now fast forward to today. Again, like I said, we're going to the premiere of Vengeance, which is a really interesting thriller film. The look that I wore today is completely different. It has been such a whirlwind because I found out that I was going to this red carpet on Thursday, and I had to put together a red carpet look, and today's Monday. So I reached out to a couple of my favorite PR firms in New York, and I was like, hey, have a red carpet on Monday, can you help dress me? And to my, I guess, rescue, they came. But by the way, I had to get these overnighted from New York, so like that was another whole like logistical nightmare because shipping has been crazy, and I was so nervous that these wouldn't come. But anyways, let's break down what I'm wearing. So I'm wearing a coat and also leather pants by Acne Suited. And this top is by Kelsey Randall. Now I was honestly like, this was another stressful situation because I got this top and I was like, oh, it's completely see-through. And so I think that really freaked me out because I don't want to say only, but Rihanna and Kendall Jenner can pull it off. Like they can go on the red carpet and like wear sheer things, and they're so confident wearing nothing underneath, and I love that. I, on the other hand, am so not confident wearing nothing underneath, and even this whole outfit is just such a departure from what I would usually wear, but I wanted to be experimental. I wanted to try something new. But that being said, I had to do something a little bit safer underneath, so I ordered this like black bralette just from Amazon. And thankfully, thank you Amazon Prime, it all came in time. So it's about 4 o'clock right now. The red carpet starts at 5:30, and just a couple like things I want to share. I'm gonna insert, obviously footage is gonna be here throughout the video of like me at the premiere, but a couple things I want to say. It's good to go to a red carpet like early/on time because you don't want to be there when all the like big stars get there. If you get there when all the big stars get there, then like you might not have as much time to get your pictures, and it's just much easier to get there in the beginning before anyone else really does. So that's my tip. These are earrings by Nadri, and then for the hair, I also spent like 2 hours today just figuring out what I wanted to do. I was looking at inspo, reference images, and finally I was like, you know what? I am so tired of doing the slick back, tied, snatch. And I was like, we could do a semi-snatch, but leave the hair open. Like I wanted to do something very different from what I did last time when I went on a red carpet. It is a little similar with the two things in front, but I also think that it's very different because I haven't snatched it up. I haven't done any kind of pony. In fact, I literally just left it like this and I'll tell you a little secret, I put some extensions in, which I normally never really do. I'm all about embracing your natural hair, but I just felt like today's look is already so dramatic, let's just take it all the way. For makeup, I used a lot, well, what I've been loving lately is like Ilia's new multi-use, it's a multi-use pigment, and I used it on the lips and the cheeks. So I actually did not put any lipstick, I just used that pigment on the cheeks and lips. And what else should I say? Yeah, I mean, the rest of my makeup is pretty much as usual. I didn't want to do anything too dramatic on makeup because the top is really needing to have its moment, as is this little cape. It's actually called it's called The Armor. Like, that's the garment name on the Acne Suited website. Again, I'm so grateful to Acne Suited, and a shout out House of. They were so gracious in giving me this Chelsea Randall top to wear for this weekend. I am all dressed and I just need to put some shoes on. I'm gonna take a bag and we are gonna get going. I don't know how the movie is going to be. I kind of have a sense of how the red carpet might be because I've been to one before, but I think I've been still so nervous. Like leading up to today, I was like, I hope I get the outfit right. I hope I can pose properly on the red carpet. I hope my images come out properly. And I also hope that I don't make a fool of myself because apparently, you know, obviously the cast is gonna be there. So like Ashton Kutcher, BJ Novak, Cameron. And then also I heard that like people like Mindy Kaling are gonna be there, and like these are people that I like want to go up and introduce myself and not make a fool of myself. So I'm just like really praying that I don't do anything stupid. But then knowing me, I might. So anyways, yeah, all is well. Let's go check out the premiere. Let's see what the premiere is all about. Thank you all so much for watching today's video. I really hope that you enjoyed coming with me to this red carpet, getting ready with me for this red carpet. And I hope this is the second one, but hopefully many more to come. We'll see. Again, thank you guys so much, and I'll see you guys soon. Bye.